Hey loves, my name is Winnie Jean. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, hey girl, how you doing? Where you been? What's going on? I get so many questions. When I tell you so many questions on how I style short faux locks. So today I want to show you guys how to put them in a ponytail and how to put them in a bun. So if you plan on wearing shorter length locks on a vacation that you have coming up, or if you just plan on wearing them in general, or if you're a bit afraid to get shorter locks because you feel like you don't have as many styling options, this video is for you. I got this bun, nice and cute, with my short locks, and I think it came out great. I'm also going to show you how I installed them. Today, I used these really pretty butterfly locks by Toyotress, and I installed them individually so that I would be able to do this style. Today's video is sponsored by Toyotress. Thank you guys so much for working with me. These locks are gorgeous, and all the information about the hair will be down below in the description bar, as well as a little surprise maybe. So definitely make sure that you guys check that out. If you have a homegirl who would really benefit from watching this video, make sure you send it to her. Don't be shady. And let's go ahead and get into the tutorial.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
Okay, it looks like I'm finished, but I'm not. I have one left. So this video is gonna be mostly focused on how to style these locks, but I do want to show you guys how I installed them because I know somebody's gonna ask. If you want a more in-depth video, then check this video out, or this video depending on what side it's on. But yeah, I have a more in-depth video on how I install these, like the technique that I use, if you want to see that. But I figured I would show you at least one time how I did it, just in case. All right, so here's one of the locks. These are a bit thicker than the other ones that I've tried, so I actually like that a lot. I prefer a thicker look because I don't want to have to put a lot of locks in my head. So I only have 37 locks. Well, I have 36 locks in, but I have 37 braids. So this will be the 37th lock. If anybody was interested in how many I have in my head, it really doesn't matter. I'm telling you, like, you're gonna have to go based on your head, so it'll be a little bit different, but it's good to know that you won't need anything outside of the hair that comes with the kit. I ended up only using 4 packs. So here is my braid. Don't mind this, it's just a little old edge control. I need to redo my edges. And I have a crochet needle and the lock. I'm gonna crochet through the braid at the base, grab the lock, pull it through, and then I'm gonna grab the braid and the lock and pull those back through the hole. It's easier for me if I pull it by the end. Sometimes if I try to go through like with the middle of the lock, it's a little bit too much hair. So I grab it by the end and then I just tighten it. So now I have everything's in there, right? And then my braid is here, the lock is here. So you want to grab a piece of your favorite curly hair. You can use water wave or spring twist, whatever hair that you have on hand. It really doesn't matter, to be honest. As long as it's some form of curly hair. I wouldn't use Marley hair for the texture of these locks. So yeah, I have this little piece of curly hair here, and I'm going to lay it next to the locks with about 10%, I don't know, like a little piece, like maybe like 2 inches or so of hair, and I'm gonna wrap it in the opposite direction that I'm gonna wrap everything else. So I'm wrapping it this way, the little short piece. And then now with the longer section, now that it's a bit like secure, wrapping that shorter section made it more secure, I'm then gonna go in and wrap to cover my braid. And I'm being very cautious not to wrap too tight because then you won't be able to see like all the cute little texture. So I'm wrapping relatively loose. And I'm not gonna burn the ends or anything. I'm just I'm just wrapping all the way to the bottom, and then I'm wrapping back up. Okay, so this is the final look of just the locks installed. I really like how they look. TBH, I love them. 1 second. Sorry y'all, I had to do my baby hair. They were driving me crazy, but they're a little fresher. And it's time for us to get into the styling portion of the video. So all we're gonna need is a good scrunchie. I like to use these, like the no metal ones. I really like these. I feel like they work really well. Why am I so goofy today? I feel like they work really, really well. So, I look cute. I love my hair like this. This is me. I get so many questions on how I wear a bun or how I put these shorter length locks up. So I'm gonna give you guys all my tips and tricks today. It's actually really not hard, but I could see why it can be a bit confusing. So this is how I do it. I flip my head over. If you can see, I'm kind of like raking all of the locks into place. So I'm raking the locks into place, and I want it to be in a high bun, so I'm kind of directing all of the hair towards the top of my head. And now I'm just going to put everything in a ponytail. Now I feel like most people would go straight into trying to put everything into a bun right now, but I'm gonna be honest with you, that's just not gonna work. So the key is to focus first on the pony. Okay, this is kind of cute too. So if you just want like a cute little ponytail moment, this is her. Okay, she's cute. And normally if I wear a ponytail like this, I'll take one of the locks and I'll wrap it around the base of it so you can't see the scrunchie. I don't know why, I feel like it just adds a cute little natural touch. So you can go for the pony, but if you're going for the gusto, so I make sure my ponytail is like laid and flattering. You don't want like lumps and bumps all up in here. And now what I'm gonna do is just grab sections of hair and tuck it into the scrunchie. Any which way. It truly, honey, does not matter. Because it's gonna just like, it takes a lot of perfecting. I'm just grabbing a section, big sections, and just like tucking it. And then let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is all right, but these need to be tucked as well. So you're just gonna keep tucking until you like it. See, this will drive me crazy. So I'm gonna just grab that. And you can either tuck it into the scrunchie or you can also tuck it behind other locks. You gotta just play with it. So these are kind of looking a little crazy. So I'm gonna pull on them a bit to make them longer and then tuck them in the back. And there we go. Do y'all like her? Short lock buns are kind of like curls. Second day is usually better. So this is the first day. And of course you can take it down if you'd like to, but if you just kind of need a little hair out your face, you can do this or whatever. Put your scarf on over it, go to sleep, or go to sleep as is. And then tomorrow, once you play with it a bit more, it'll look even cuter. Okay, so yeah, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys like it. Thank you so much to Toyotress for working with me. All of the information for this hair will be down below in the description bar, so make sure that you guys check it out. It is really, really pretty, and the size is perfect. The size is perfect. The texture is great. They were really good quality. As I was working with them, they didn't like act up on me or anything. Really good quality hair, so I definitely suggest that you guys check that out. Like this video if you like this video. I know the girls are gonna love this one, so if you would share it for me, it would really help me out. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you. Bye bye.